Hey, in this video I'll show you a very simple method to actually copy bars or copy candles on your TradingView chart. On any chart that has this option, all you have to do is watch the video all the way until the end, slap the like button or I'll slap you subscribe if you haven't already. Trying to hit 50k subscribers. I'm at 49k right now. And if you want to trade with other people's money up to $200,000 and keep 90% of the profits, check FTMO out. And if you watch the video until the end, I'll show you something special from my sponsors at the best exchange for altcoins, MEXC. So here is how you copy candles. What you want to do is go on your chart, click on this button right here. On the tools, click on bars pattern. And now you can just select the bars you want to use. Just like so, copy them, and now I have the bars copied. So if I want to mimic this movement or see a pattern on how price would react, I can just use this option. Hopefully it helped you out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And since you stayed until the end, if you want to get $525 from our sponsors at MEXC, sign up for MEXC using my link and then complete 3 steps right here. This video is no financial advice. See you next video. Bye.